Folks, this is a summer sip and savor dinner. We have this all set up for a beautiful dinner on the patio underneath the trellis with the lighting. We will have a presentation on different wines from different areas. It's a delightful evening here to enjoy a peaceful setting. Wine education class. We call these the Sip and Savors. So if you are interested in participating in one of these classes, there is room available. Head to our website. I'll include the link on this post, but jonesfamilyfarms.com is our website. Head over to the calendar and you'll see different Sip and Savor activities. And as the team is getting started right now, we are doing a little bit of an education element here.